Okay. Uh, we're gonna learn how to play Sudoku. Okay, so the rules of Sudoku is that um, there is boxes, right? So here we have a box that contains 9 numbers. Now some of them are blank, which we have to figure out. Some of them are already filled, which will be our clues. But the rule says that there will be one of each number in the box. So in this box, we can see that we're missing a 1, which will be in one of these 3 squares. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in one of these, 8 and 9 in one of these. Now, it applies to all of the boxes, so this one, this one, this one, all of them will have 1 to 9 in one of each. And also, the rules are also that for every horizontal line, okay, you also have one of each number. So in this one, we don't have 1, so 1 will be in one of these squares. And then we have 2, 3 will be in here also, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 missing, and then 8, 9 missing. Okay. And if we look at a vertical one, let's say this one, we can see that 1 is missing. We have 2, we see that 3 is missing, and then 4 is missing, 5 is missing, we have 6, and 7 is missing, 8 is here, 9 is here, right? So our goal is to try to fill all of these blank squares out and find the correct number to fill it in. Okay. So now how do we fill in the numbers? Right? So usually we start from try to find the lowest numbers. Start from the lowest number, so it would be 1. Right? We want to fill in ones, right? So this square already has 1, which means this box already has 1, which means that there won't be any more 1s in this one. There won't also be any 1s in this one, right? But there will be 1 here, 1 in this one, 1 in that one, 1 in this one, 1 in this one, and 1 in this one, and 1 in this one. Okay, let's say we want to find the one in the bottom one, right? So we can know that because this line already has a 1, so this one cannot be a 1. So if I put in 1 here, it'll say that I'm wrong, right? Now these two, right, there is no, let me clear the puzzle. I guess I shouldn't reset, okay. Okay, so this could be 1 and this could be 1. That's kind of confusing. Let me not do this. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, so basically, if I put a 1 over here, right, it'll say that I'm incorrect because this line already has 1, so I cannot put it here. Okay. But I could put a 1 over here, and I could also possibly put a 1 over here. I don't know, right? Okay, I don't know. So, sometimes when we were playing, we were like, oh, one of them is 1, but we don't know which. And then we usually just skip, right? So we skip and we go to another number. Let's say 2. Okay, we want to find 2. Can we find a 2 in another blank, right? So let's say we want to find 2 in this one. So according to the rules, we know that there's already 2 in this line, so there will not be 2 in these 3 blanks. Ooh. And there will also not be 2 in these 2 blanks, right? So this is not 2, this is not 2, this is not 2, this is not 2, this is not 2. And the only possible place for a 2 in this box would be here, right? So I would put 2 here, right? And that's how you find the numbers. Now we can also find 2 in other places. Let's say here, right? let's say this box, 2, 2, 2, right? We cannot have so when we're looking at this box, we'll look at the one that's above and under, like, and also the one that's on the same vertical. So this is called the same horizontal boxes. This is same vertical boxes, right? So when we're looking at this box, we will look at the upper ones, lowers, and the one on the side. But we won't look at these four because these four are like out of this one's reach. So let's say we want to find 2 in this one. So we know that this is not 2 because of there's already 2 in this line, and we also know that this line also does not. This line already has a 2, so it's not this and this square. So again, the only place that could be a 2 is here. Okay, so now we got the basics. I'm gonna play slightly faster, and let's see if we can keep up. So like in here, in this one, these zeros are not 2, and this is not 2 also, so this is 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 7 2s. Now this one, these two squares are not 2. These, like this 2 we don't know, and this 2 we don't know, right? So we don't know. We don't know, we skip, right? So let's find 3. Okay, 3, let's say this one. These 2 not 3 because of this. These 2s are not 3 because of this, and this is not 3 because of this. So not 3, not 3, not 3, not 3, not 3. The only place we could put 3 is here. Again, this one, not 3, not 3, not 3. So this one would be 3. And we will find this one not 3, this one not 3, this one not 3 because of this, and this one not 3 because of this. So we put in this one. Let's see if we have others. Not 3, not 3, not 3, not 3. Okay, this one. And this one would be not 3 and not 3 and not 3 and not 3 because this. Alright, so we found all of the 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the 3's are found, and it'll show in here that all the 3's are found, which means that we don't need to put any 3's in here anymore. Okay, let's move on. 4. 4. Okay, 4. Like, let's say here, right? This one. This is not 4, this is not 4, so this is 4. Okay. This is not 4, this is not 4. This is not 4, this is not 4. So this is 4. How many do we have? Okay, this is not 4, this is not 4. This is not 4. So this is 4. Not 4, not 4, not 4. 4. Alright, so we found all the 4's. Now let's say 5. So this is not 5. This is 5. So these 2's are not 5, and this is not 5, so this is 5. And what we have? This is not 5. This is not 5. This is not 5, so this is 5. And not 5. Not 5. This is 5. So we found all the 5's. Okay, let's go on to 6. 6. Not 6, not 6, not 6. Not 6. So this is 6. So basically we're just eliminating all the possibility that we can have the number. And the last one will have to have that number. So you can put 6 over here. So the last place you can have it will be here. How many 6 we have? We don't have this one. We don't have this one. So 1, these are not 6. So this has to be 6. Okay, we found all the 6. Now 7. Okay, these 2 cannot be 7. So this is 7. This cannot be 7 because of this. So this is 7. And this also cannot be 7. So this is 7. And these two cannot be 7. So this is 7. And then these two cannot be 7. So this, and then this not 7, this not 7, so this is 7. And then this not 7, and this not 7. 7. Okay, we found all the 7s. Now let's go to the next number, 8. So this one would be 8. This one will be 8. This one will be 8. This one will be 8. Right? There's no other, like all the numbers are filled, so the last number would be 8. These two are not 8, so we put it here. So we found all the 8s. Now we find 9. You can also say that, okay, this one doesn't have 1, so we are missing 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We completed a square. This will be also 1 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. And this will be missing 1. And we already have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we can't put 9 here, so we have to put 9 here, and this will leave us to put 1. So this doesn't have 1, but it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we want to put 9, but we can't put 9 here, so 9 is there, and again, 1 is here. So 1, let's say we are missing 1. So 1 will be here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one, we are missing 1, but 1 cannot be here, so 1. And we're missing 2, so 2 would be this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the last 2 would be, we could do it in line, right? So this line, we're missing a 1, right? But you can't put it here, so we have to put it here. We're missing a 2 also, so 2 would be here. Finish. Okay, so that's how you play, and I hope I hope you can finish one yourself. Maybe.